This Coca-Cola Mini Fridge 6-can portable cooler is quite handy. It can hold up to 6 cans. It's perfect for keeping drinks cold. You can also store baby food in it. Skincare items fit well too. Even some medications can stay cool. It's like a tiny, personal refrigerator. This Coca-Cola Mini Fridge 6-can portable cooler works in many places. Use it at home. And it fits on a desk. Take it to the office for chilled drinks. It's great for dorm rooms. Plus it saves space. You can even use it in your car. RV trips become better with cold items. Boats are also a good place for it. It includes both AC and DC plugs. This makes it very versatile and easy to use wherever you go. The design of this Coca-Cola Mini Fridge 6-can portable cooler is sleek. It comes in black and red. The ceiling seems good, keeping contents cool. It's not just for beverages. Families might use it for baby food. Some use it for skincare. And others for medications. It's a practical item for many needs. And it's portable. It's not a huge fridge. But it's useful for its size. Pros: portable, AC and DC plugs, use at home. Use in office, use in dorm, use in car, use in RV. Use on boat, cools beverages, cools baby food, cools skincare, cools medications. Black and red color, holds 6 cans. 4-liter capacity. Cons: small capacity. 6 cans. May not cool very much, graphics may peel off. Small interior space, not for large bottles. Might not cool quickly, could drain car battery. Some find it too small, more of a cooler, not for big families. Features: Coca-Cola Zero themed 4-liter capacity, portable 6-can size, cools beverages, cools baby food, cools skincare, cools medications, use at home, use in office, AC and DC plugs. This Coca-Cola Zero themed mini fridge has a 4-liter space, which can hold about 6 cans. It's made to cool things like drinks, baby food, skincare items, and even medicine. You can use it in different places such as your house, office, a dorm room, or even in your car, RV, or boat because it comes with plugs for both regular wall outlets, AC, and car outlets. DC. It's black and red and easy to carry around. This portable mini fridge, with a 4-liter capacity holding up to 6 cans, is designed in black and red Coca-Cola Zero style. It comes with both AC and DC plugs, making it usable at home, in the office, dorm, car, RV, or boat. It can cool beverages, baby food, skincare, and some medications. However, it has a small interior, may not cool very much or quickly, and could potentially drain a car battery if left running for too long. Some users might find it too small and more like a cooler than a true fridge.